breath and drown my feet and give me something I don't need, that I can't choose. From time to time.
Shane Clark, aka Elephant, it's great to meet you.
You too.
Now, tell me about kind of the music that you listened to when you were growing up.
I guess when I started playing music, I was listening to kind of my parents' music, Eagles and like swing music and stuff like that,
cool.
big band music.
Awesome.
They would have listened to, and then when I became an angsty teenager, I moved off into like punk and metal.
Keep on hanging on. Keep on hanging on.
And then the years have gone by, and now you're kind of doing your own thing. It's a solo sort of a buzz.
It is, yeah. Well, I play with loop pedals, so I layer drums that I play on a guitar and vocals and basses and lots of effects to make dreamy folk music.
Trailing lights and sleepless dawns to catch a little Thomas Waits in an empty space is now commonplace. Grow up, son, to be brave. Head on up, son, face your fate.
So you moved to Dundalk after living in Meath. So do you think doing that move, it influenced your music in any way, your musical style, your musical tastes?
I moved when I was about, well for college, so 18-ish. At the time I was in a band called I Like Ducks, with a question mark at the end, so it was I Like Ducks. And it was like a bad Incubus
Amazing.
kind of band, funk, metal. That slowly fell apart through college and
Didn't like ducks anymore.
didn't like Ducks anymore. There was a big scene at the time when we moved up there. Lots of gigs and stuff. So it definitely made me want to pursue music a lot more than before.